Hey everyone, this is Josh Galvin with Tizish.com. On this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enter images in your sidebar of your website that link to anywhere you want. Okay, so here's what I mean. Let's say you have, let's say you want to have some kind of image. I'm just going to pull up any of them. So let's go in your admin panel, and here's what you need to do. Go to your widgets section of your admin panel, which is found under appearance and then widgets, which is here under appearance and widgets. Now in this section you're going to end up, or when you click on widgets, you're going to end up being on a section just like this. Here are your widgets. Here are the two widgets that you can use for images. The first one, or actually you have three of them, but the first one is the simple one called image widget right here. Showcase a single image with title, URL, and description. Here's what you want to do. You just take this widget, put it wherever you want, open it up, and pretty much the way it works is you're going to upload an image by clicking the add image button, and you're going to choose a file, and let's say we're going to use the good or bad market image. I'm just picking this one just for the sake of it. Now I click on upload. You could have any image you want, of course, that would apply to you. Now after clicking upload, it's going to try to compress it and everything, or it's going to do all that stuff. Now you could choose the size. You could choose full size, medium, or thumbnail. Remember, your sidebars are only 300 width maximum, so I would choose medium. Alright? And I could align this however way I want. Doesn't really matter because it's just an image. And now after that, you want to click on save all changes. My mistake, you don't click on save all changes, you got to click on insert into post. Alright, if that doesn't show up on yours, then what you have to do after clicking save all changes, select media library and then re-click this image. You won't have to re-upload it. So then click on insert into post after choosing medium. Alright, now let's say if you want this to link somewhere, right? Well, let's say you want this to link to, let's say, your contact page, right? Here's what you would do. And I'm just choosing contact page, or let's do the actual how's the market page. What you would do is just simply enter the link here. So you see how link URL, you're choosing this to be the link URL. Now we're going to click on insert into post. And it's supposed to insert here. Sometimes this may happen depending on what browser you're on. If it doesn't, then simply click on change image one more time, and then now you're going to go back to media library and then do it one more time, because sometimes that happens, and unfortunately you'd have to put your URL. So for now I'm just going to do Google just as a test. And now we choose medium again. Now we see how it says insert into widget this time. Now it's going to work properly. So we click on insert into widget and there it goes. And if you want to put a caption, this pretty much means good or bad market. You don't have to put a caption, but it's just basically the text that's going to show up with it. And after that, you could choose. Now you can modify the link of where you want it to go. Choose the width and the height, the alignment. I like it. I like everything just to be default as it is. The alternate text. This is the text that you want to actually have. That you end up wanting to be the actual the text that you're telling Google what the image is. So this is a good or bad market icon, something like that. And then now after that, we click on save, and what's going to happen is you're going to see now when we go to our website, we go here, we hit refresh. It's going to show up on our right hand side with all the items we had just set it up to do. So see the title, good or bad market. This is the caption. We obviously don't need all this, so we'd remove that. I'll show you how to do that. But notice now when I hover over and click on it, it's going to take me to Google, because that's what I set the link as. So here are a couple quick pointers regarding this image widget now. See how when I click the link, first of all, take the caption out. That's pretty pointless to have on there now. Same thing with the title, unless you want it to be something different or unique. It's up to you. Whatever's relevant to your picture. Maybe it's going to be your agent picture or something. Who knows? Whatever the case is. But the other thing is on the link, put open new window. Alright, so now when I resave it again, what's going to happen, instead of clicking this link and disappearing to Google, when I click on it, it's going to open the link in a whole new window. So at least when I click on this link, I am still here as the visitor of your site. Alright, so that's the main widget that you'll use that's easiest to insert images into your site. The other two that you can use are going to be the ones that are that you have to take the image URLs from your media library. So here's what I mean by that. Let's take this one out. And you have one extra widget. You have the one right here. Multiple image insert widget. Take this widget. Well, let me let you actually see it. Take this multiple image insert widget and go to the top. Now here at the top section, you're going to need to enter simply the title of your widget and the link URL or the image URL. This lets you put multiple images in a row. So if for some reason you have a need to do this, you can do so. If not, you just got to put one link here. So let's just say we want to go to Google. I'm going to use Google as the example again. And the image URL means the actual full-on image path. Here's how you find that. Go left, go to media. You're going to have to go to add new and upload an image. Alright, after you upload an image, it's going to bring you to a page that looks just like this. So let's say you're on this page. What you want to do now is go to edit the image you just uploaded. And now here it's going to ask you it's going to show you the file URL. All you have to do is copy all of this text and now go back to your widget, and where it says image URL, you're going to paste it, and that's it. So after doing that, we put our link URL for image number 1 and our link number 1 and image number 1. So make sure that these two are together. After that, you scroll down, click on save, and after saving it, when we hit refresh, we're going to see that this widget is going to be the same thing, but it's now the one that we just did. You know, same concept basically, just a different way to insert an image. The whole point is it exists just if you want to put loads of multiple images. Alright, so that's pretty much everything on inserting images into your sidebar. If you have a question, go to facebook.com/Tizish and ask me there. Tizish is spelled as you see here, and Facebook is the best place to ask me these questions, so definitely go to our fan page and ask me there. Alright, well, good luck and have fun using your image tools. Take care.